Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to install VMware Tools in Windows VM. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Installing VMware Tools in a Windows VM enhances performance and enables features like shared folders and seamless mouse integration. Here's how you can do it. Start your VM, open VMware Workstation or VMware Player, and launch your Windows virtual machine. Insert the VMware Tools CD image, click on VM and then select Install VMware Tools. If the option says Update VMware Tools or is grayed out, it means VMware Tools is already installed. Open File Explorer, navigate to this PC, and locate the VMware Tools disk. Run the installer. Double-click Setup.exe to start the installation. Follow the prompts, click Next a few times, then Install. If prompted, accept any driver installation requests. Reboot the VM, select Reboot Now and click Finish. After restarting, your VM should have improved graphics, shared clipboard functionality, and better integration with your host system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.